Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is build content quickly in Google Docs. If you have worked in Google Docs recently, you may have noticed a new menu at the top of a blank page. Google recently introduced new buttons that allow you to quickly insert building blocks for different types of content. For example, perhaps you have an upcoming meeting and you want to provide the participants with a sheet for taking notes. Click on the Meeting Notes block. From the drop-down menu of Scheduled Events, select the upcoming meeting that you want to provide the note sheet for. Once the meeting is selected, the template is built for you with the attendees, date, and name of the meeting. Let's create another new document. You will notice that the second option in the new menu allows you to create a draft email. All that we have to do is fill in the content. When we are ready to send the email, we can click on the mail icon and preview to see what it looks like and click Send. Going back to another new document, if you click on the More button, you are given more options to choose from and can even create a custom building block. Check out this new feature in Google Docs. It is a big time saver. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.